Hey everybody, welcome to Simple, Cheap, and Easy DIYs by Simple DIYer. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. As always, you can check the description box for the list of items used. First, I'm going to start off with these book bins. I'm using 3 because that's all my store had. Otherwise, I would have used 4, but you can use 3 or 4, whichever you prefer. Next, I spray painted all 3 bins using Rust-Oleum spray paint in the color white. Now you're going to want to go ahead and glue all 3 bins together. They do interlock with each other. I am just using the hot glue for video purposes. I do recommend an E6000 and hot glue combo for a more permanent hold. Next, I'm going to take 2 tumbling tower blocks that I glued together, and I'm just going to glue them in between the 2 bins in the back just to make sure that they stay evenly spaced. As you can see, the inside of my bins aren't spray painted perfectly. Part of that's because I didn't really care too much since there's going to be stuff in it. And then also it's still kind of cold here, so the spray paint just wouldn't hold like it should have. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel out a lot. If you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and make sure you hit the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. Now we're going to take the apple barrel paint in the color jet black and just go ahead and go around the rim of all 3 bins. It took me about 3 coats to get a solid black color. here's what it will look like when it's fully painted and dry. Next, I'm going to take this piece of foam board that I measured and cut to the length of all 3 bins. The height is optional based on what type of picture or wording you're going to use. I'm just going to use this Farm Fresh sign that I've printed from online from a Google image search. Next, I'm going to be using this white glue to glue the picture onto the foam board. Mod Podge works as well, I just didn't have any, but either one works about the same. Next, we're going to take the jet black paint and go ahead and line the outer part of the foam board. Also, we're going to make a black line on the front of the foam board. Next, you're going to want to glue the foam board to the back of the bins, and then your project will be complete. You can use this in the kitchen to hold cookbooks, to hold magazines. You can use it just to hold just about anything. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you can give it a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see every time that I upload a new video. As always, you can leave me a comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Until next time, have a great day.